Hello guys, this is a quick update about how to stop and recover bot automation in Facebook inbox. So on the left hand side is what an agent can see. So this is Facebook inbox. So on the right hand side is a user. Okay, now when a user talk to your bot, any agent, and now I get automation from the bot. Okay, so on the agent side, what you can do is simply two-step to stop the automation. All right, so if the user keep typing in something, the bot is keep responding, and now I want it to stop the automation. What I need to do is, number one, click move to done. Alright, now go show filter, done, and move the user back to main. Okay, now when I go back to main, I can now talk to the user. Hi, this is agent. Now the user can talk to the agent now. Hello agent. Hi, Joyce, how can I help you? Okay, I need help with... Okay, now the bot is not saying anything, only the agent is replying to the user. Okay, you can do blah blah blah. Okay, so after the conversation, I mean when the user say okay, thank you. Now, how does the agent recover the bot automation? Simply hit the move to done. Okay, now let's say, okay, I am recovering the bot now. Okay, and then I can hit the move to done button. Alright, from now on, the user is talking to the bot again. Thanks. Now the bot reply, is you bot? Yes, I am the support bot working for UChat. So the agent is not replying it, but now the bot is taking over it. And on your phone, simply download Facebook Business Suite and open it. And then when you go inbox, click on a user and click their name, and then now you can choose move to done, right? And now when you go filter done, you can click on the person again and their name and move to main. Okay, that's how you do it, the same thing on your mobile. Alright, that's how you stop and recover bot automation in Facebook inbox. Thank you.